Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to take you on a journey to witness a real street food revolution. In every corner of this city, there are countless delicacies waiting for us to discover. But there is one food truck that is not just a mobile restaurant, it's a legend, a game changer, an innovator. This food truck is called Culinary Pioneer, and it has conquered the taste buds of countless diners with its unique flavors and creative cuisine. From classic burgers and hot dogs to exotic Mexican wraps and Japanese sushi, each dish is a bold innovation on traditional street food. But the greatest revolution of this food truck lies not only in its menu. Its founder, a young chef, has inspired countless people with his story. He gave up a high-paying job to pursue his culinary dreams. He believes that good food should not be confined within the walls of upscale restaurants. Deliciousness should take to the streets and become part of people's everyday lives. Now, let's follow the Culinary Pioneer to explore how it's changing the city's food culture step by step. We will take you to see how this food truck operates, how its chefs prepare each dish, and how it has grown from an inconspicuous stall to the city's most popular food landmark in just a few months. Are you ready? Let's embark on this journey and experience the street food revolution. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to witness more food stories. See you in the next video.